Welcome to our English learning channel. Here at English Clouds channel, we're dedicated to helping you master the English language one lesson at a time. Listening skills are crucial in the English learning process. Focus on the nuance, intonation, and stress to improve your proficiency. Do you know what we call this piece of clouds? What about this outfit? And what about these? If you want to know the correct answer, watch this video to the end. And now let's begin. In this video, we'll see vocabulary of clouds. Shirt. He wore his favorite blue shirt to the family gathering. Jeans. She paired her new jeans with a cozy sweater for a casual look. Dress. She felt elegant in her new purple dress at the evening gala. T-shirt. He threw on a comfortable t-shirt before heading out for a walk. Baseball cap. He adjusted his baseball cap to shield his eyes from the glaring sun. Socks. She pulled on her worn fuzzy socks to keep her feet cozy during the cold winter night. Athletic shoes. He laced up his athletic shoes before heading to the gym for his morning workout. Tie. He carefully knotted his silk tie in front of the mirror before the important meeting. Blouse. She chose a light, airy blouse to stay cool during the summer day. Handbag. She got a chic leather handbag that complemented her outfit perfectly. Skirt. She twirled in her floral print skirt, feeling carefree and stylish on a sunny afternoon. Suit. He looked sharp in his tailored suit, ready for the business presentation. Pants. He decided on a pair of beige pants to match his shirt for the office meeting. Shoes. Shoes come in a variety of styles and designs to suit different preferences and occasions. Sweater. She wore a cozy sweater on the chilly autumn evening. Cardigan sweater. She layered a soft cardigan sweater over her dress for added warmth. Pullover sweater. He chose a thick pullover sweater to stay warm during the winter hike. Sports shirt. He wore his favorite sports shirt for the soccer match. Overall. He wore a comfortable overall for the outdoor painting project. Capris. She pairs her capris with a light blouse for a breezy summer look. Sandals. She slipped on her favorite sandals before heading to the beach. Uniform. He pressed his uniform neatly before the shift. Business suit. He wore a sharp business suit to the important conference. Vest. He added a stylish vest to complete his formal attire. Bow tie. He adjusted his bow tie in the mirror before the wedding ceremony. Tuxedo. He looked dashing in his black tuxedo at the gala dinner. Evening gown. She looked stunning in her shimmering evening gown at the charity ball. High heels. She wore elegant high heels that accentuated her outfit for the cocktail party. Hoodie. He threw on his favorite hoodie to stay warm on the chilly evening. Tank top. She wore a comfortable tank top for her workout at the gym. Shorts. He put on a pair of comfortable shorts before heading out for a run. Hat. She wore a wide-brimmed hat to shield her face from the sun at the beach. Overcoat. He dropped his overcoat over his shoulders to stay warm in the chilly evening air. Headband. She wore a colorful headband to keep her hair back during yoga class. Leather jacket. He looked ragged in his leather jacket as he walked down the city streets. Winter scarf. She wrapped a cozy winter scarf around her neck to stay warm in the cold weather. Gloves. She put on her wool gloves before venturing out into the snowy weather. Head wrap. She styled her hair with a colorful head wrap before heading out for the day. Jacket. He dropped his leather jacket over the back of the chair before sitting down. Parka. She bundled up in a thick parka to brave the icy winds outside. Mittens. She pulled on her knitted mittens to keep her hands warm on the winter hike. Ski hat. He pulled his ski hat snugly over his ears before hitting the slopes. Earmuffs. She wore fluffy earmuffs to keep her ears warm during the winter walk. Down vest. He zipped up his down vest to stay warm during the brisk morning hike. Ski mask. He put on his ski mask to protect his face from the biting wind on the mountain slope. Down jacket. She bundled up in a cozy down jacket to stay warm during the winter camping trip. Raincoat. She wore a bright yellow raincoat to stay dry during the sudden downpour. Poncho. She donned a colorful poncho to shield herself from the rain during the outdoor concerts. Trench coat. She wore a classic trench coat over her suit to stay dry and stylish in the rain. Swimming trunks. He put on his swimming trunks and headed straight for the pool. Windbreaker. He grabbed his windbreaker before heading out for a jog on the breezy morning. Undershirt. He wore an undershirt beneath his dress shirt for extra comfort. Boxer shorts. He changed into his favorite boxer shorts before bed. Briefs. He opted for comfortable briefs as his everyday underwear choice. Ankle socks. She wore ankle socks with her sneakers for a casual outing in the park. Knee highs. She paired her skirt with stylish knee highs for a chic look. And now let's take a test. Look at the picture and give the name of the piece of clothes. Jeans. Socks. Blouse. Sweater. Uniform. Evening gown. Shorts. Mittens. Undershirt. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and drop a thumbs up. See you in the next video.